Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to track running on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to count or track all your steps while running, then all you need to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the workout icon. Once you selected that, then scroll through the workout page and then locate either outdoor run or indoor run. So in this case, we'll go with outdoor run. Once you selected outdoor run, go ahead and click on the play button or select the workout type and then hang on once you see the countdown. And then you should see indication at the top left screen that you are running. And here you have access to your active calorie, total calorie, heartbeat, and then the number of steps or feet. And now if you scroll down again, you have access to the activity. And then this is it. Once you are done with your steps, all you need to do is swipe right, click on pause, or swipe right, click on end to end your run. Mark you, while running, you may want to play music or any audio file from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. Just swipe left and then you should see now playing. Just go ahead and click on the play button and it's going to play on your Apple Watch. You see that? Running. So that's exactly how to track running on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.